I'm Kelly Crockett, and this is JC's Screwdriver. So, we're going to be doing this in a highball glass tonight. You're going to need vodka, Sprite, orange juice, and some ice. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with probably 2 shots of vodka. And then we're going to get some ice, and we're just going to fucking throw that in the vodka. You want a good amount of ice. And then you're going to hit it with this orange juice. And make sure to leave a little bit of room to top it with your lemon lime pop. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, you got JC's Screwdriver. You might want to give it a little stir, but JC don't give no fucks. I'm out, guys.